Hi guys, welcome to a quick episode of Luke's Garage, and today we're just looking at a change we've made to the limit switch kit. We had a couple of issues with the Molex KK connectors used on the board. Because they're so close together on the board, it's quite difficult to connect them, and people were saying it's bending the pin slightly. Now that's always going to be the case when you use a row of 12 single Molex KKs like this. Really it should be a block, but we've come up with a solution which should fix it. So previously we'd provided connectors which look like this. You can see you've got a DuPont connector and a Molex KK 2.54 there. Now these are now being replaced very shortly with a new style, and it's pretty similar to be honest, but it's just 3 DuPont connectors. It's nice and easy to set up. If you follow the instructions as before, obviously you've got your power wire, so connect that to the power pin as detailed in the instructions. Let's bring that into focus for you. And then using your connectors here, you've got 3 different wires. You've got brown, that's your power. You've got black, now that is not your ground, that is your trigger. And you've got blue, blue is your ground. So in order, what we're going to do is connect the trigger and ground. Now on these boards, just to revisit again, you've got trigger, ground, trigger, ground, trigger, ground, so on and so forth. So with that in mind, we want to connect our trigger. Trigger connected. We then are going to do our ground, the blue. Slide him on. We then connect our power wire. Can't do it all at one time. And put them on the connector, and that's as simple as it is. You're now connected and you've got your limit switch connected for that particular axis. Once you've done all 3, again, don't forget to wrap this connector in some black electrical tape just to ensure it doesn't short anything out. Anyway, that's all from me. Thanks very much for watching, and any questions, just shoot them over. Cheers.